You have a YouTube channel. That's why you have started recording.
Yes,
After
yes,
rec-
yes.
after recording this video, you will upload this video on your channel.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. So as we know that we are connecting first time, so we should introduce ourselves first a little bit. So could you please
Okay,
introduce yourself?
okay. I introduce myself. So first of all, thank you so much giving me this opportunity. Today I say something about my introduce. So my name is Abdul Salam. I am from Assam, and I have done my graduation, and I have done my PGDCA course, computer diploma. So my hobbies are learning English and playing games, as well as I have learning English. So currently I have been working as a computer shop. So that's all about.
Okay, okay. It was a nice introduction from your side. So now it's my turn to introduce myself. This is Vivek Chauhan and I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English, and as far as my profession is concerned, by profession I am a teacher. I am a private teacher, not government, and basically my teaching subject is English. But the thing is that I teach English subject in a Hindi medium school, where I never get the chance to speak in English. And simultaneously, I am also running a YouTube channel named English with Village Teacher, because by profession I am a teacher and I am from village area. That's why I named my YouTube channel English with Village Teacher, where I upload English conversational videos. That's all about me.
Okay. That's great. Introduce yourself.
Thank you. Bye.
So your YouTube channel name
English with Village Teacher.
English with Village Teacher. Okay. I understood. Actually, our
Because
YouTube, my YouTube channel name English with Salam.
English with Salam. So
Okay.
when did you start your channel?
Actually, I started start my journey before 1 month ago. So the time I very Chinese field. So right now I am very happy and very good my English journey. Okay.
So your shyness has removed.
Yes.
Okay. Good. And 1 month ago, you started your YouTube channel.
Okay. No. 1 month ago in our English language learning start. Okay.
Okay. And what about your YouTube channel?
In our YouTube channel for conversation and blogging video, English blogging video.
Okay. So are you from village area or city area?
I'm live at village area.
Okay. Good. Very good. So
And
which type of activities do you do at your home in order to learn this language?
okay. Actually, I daily conversational video watching and a lot of people daily minimum 1.5 hour daily talk about for English conversation and uh, YouTube. YouTube channel like conversational video like English movies, cartoon, so many type of video I was seeing.
So why do you want to learn this language? What is the reason behind it? Is there
Okay,
any
okay, okay.
specific?
Okay. I talk about for learning English. So because learning English is a global language. So when I go to another country, so the time English is the most important because communicate for every people, every situation. That's why English is the most important language. So I think English is always a helpful language. So that's it.